Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the difference between puff stitch, bubble stitch, and popcorn stitch. These three crochet stitches may look similar, but each one has a different texture and style. In this video, I'll show you how all three stitches are made and explain their unique look step by step. First, we will learn a beautiful puff stitch crochet flower. First, chain 1. Now yarn over, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the same space. Repeat this multiple times in the same stitch. You'll see many loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through all loops together. That creates one puff stitch. See how soft and puffy the texture looks. Repeat the same process around the ring to complete the flower shape. That's it for today's video. In part 2, we'll learn a beautiful bubble stitch flower. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. See you in the next tutorial.